In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to convert a PowerPoint PPT file into a Word document quickly and completely free using an online tool. This is perfect if you need to turn your presentation slides into editable notes, a report, or a document you can easily share and print. The entire process only takes a few minutes, and you don't need to install any software. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can also use other browsers, but Google Chrome is recommended for the best compatibility and smooth performance with online tools. Once your browser is open, go to the website FreeConvert.com. In the search bar, type PPT to Word Converter FreeConvert.com and press Enter. Click on the official FreeConvert website from the search results. Make sure you are on the correct website before uploading any files. After the website loads, you'll see the main conversion interface. Look for the button that says Choose Files or Upload. Click on the Choose Files button to begin uploading your PowerPoint presentation. As soon as you click it, the Open dialog box will appear on your screen. This is where you can browse through your computer files. Navigate to the folder where your PowerPoint file is saved. For example, you might see a file named Travel-Experience-India-3 Slides. Select the required PowerPoint file by clicking on it once. After selecting the file, click on the Open button in the bottom right corner of the dialog box. The file will now start uploading to the FreeConvert website. Depending on your internet speed and file size, this may take a few seconds. Once the upload is complete, scroll down slightly if needed. You will see the option to convert the file. Make sure the output format is set to Word or docx. Usually, the website automatically selects Word as the output format when using the PPT to Word Converter tool. Now click on the Convert to Word button or Start Conversion button. The conversion process will begin immediately. You'll see a progress bar indicating the status of the conversion. This step may take a moment depending on the size and complexity of your PowerPoint presentation. Wait for the conversion process to fully complete. Do not close the browser tab while the conversion is running. Once the process is finished, you'll see a download button appear on the screen. Click on the Download button to save your newly converted Word document to your computer. The file will usually be saved in your default Downloads folder, unless you choose a different location. You can now open the Word document using Microsoft Word or any compatible word processing software and start editing it as needed. And that's it. You've successfully converted a PowerPoint PPT file into a Word document using FreeConvert. This method is fast, free, and requires no installation, making it ideal for students, teachers, business professionals, or anyone who needs to repurpose presentation content into document format. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. I regularly post step-by-step guides to help you save time and work more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.